Introducing Echo Frames, eyeglasses that let you take Alexa with you.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. Your next event is Coffee with Rebecca at 9 a.m.
Echo Frames direct sound straight to your ears so you can discreetly hear Alexa. And with no cameras or displays, you're free to see the world around you. They work with your phone and are controlled by your voice, helping you get things done without getting in your way.
Alexa, call Jamie. Got the raspberries?
They're on the way.
Perfect.
Echo Frames are designed around your privacy. You can turn off the microphone anytime. Never miss what's important. With VIP Filter, you choose the notifications Alexa reads to you and which ones stay on your phone.
Message from Ethan. Swipe for more. Change of plans. Meet me at the trailhead in 20 minutes.
Get the weather, news, or settle an important debate.
The fastest slap shot ever recorded was 110.3 miles per hour.
So was I right?
You're right.
Knew it.
Play a little music or your favorite podcast without missing a beat.
Alexa, resume my podcast.
Okay.
Just ask to check your calendar, manage your to-do list, or add a new favorite spot.
Alexa, add Renzu Sushi to our favorite restaurant list.
Alexa can even help you capture a moment of inspiration.
Alexa, remind me to try a faster tempo when I get to work.
Okay. I'll remind you at work.
Alexa, turn on the patio lights.
Echo Frames and Alexa keep you in the moment, so you never miss it.